This is the story of a drug that's destroying a community.
These people, when they eat this thing, they don't work. Their families are ruined.
These effects on the brain are identical to amphetamine, associated with a psychotic illness.
You come to my warehouse next time, I'll break your face.
We've come to this industrial estate just outside Heathrow to secretly film the trade of a drug called Cat, which is banned in North America and much of Europe. The plant-based drug is legal here and is imported to Britain every day from Ethiopia and Kenya on a massive scale.
How much is it for a crate?
What, this?
Yeah, one of those.
£120.
It's £120 a crate, is it?
Yeah.
But what we've found is that these boxes contain a health risk and a huge social problem. On this street in North London, known as Mini Mogadishu, users like Omar chew cat in cafes called mafreshas.
Does everyone here use cat?
Yeah.
Everyone, yeah. What's it do to you?
Makes you go to work.
If you don't have it, can you not? Then you don't.
No, I can't work.
Our presence here soon ignites a debate.
These people, when they eat this thing, they don't work. And they become so disabled and they can't even do their daily life, and their families are ruined.
Yeah.
Their children are ruined.
The Chad, it makes a lot of money for these people. Half of these shops, this whole road is working on Chad. This whole road is open. All these shops are open because of Chad. There's nothing else. There's nothing else.
Cat, also called chat, is wrapped in banana leaves to keep it fresh. It's chewed mostly by East Africans and people from the Middle East. It's a psychoactive stimulant drug with the same effects and health risks associated with amphetamines and cocaine. In the late 1990s, we imported no more than 10 tons of cat a year. Now we import over 10,000 tons.
Chewing cat could cause serious physical health problems, lose weight, cannot sleep, can have problems with blood pressure, can have heart problems. In terms of the mental health problems, they can become paranoid, they can actually develop a serious mental illness.
Despite these risks, one former addict claims that cat is being ignored because it's seen as an ethnic problem.
Because this drug is destroying the community and nobody listens to us. Within 3 weeks, 4 weeks, they ban meow meow. It's a clear discrimination. We feel
because it was white people taking it?
Absolutely. I mean, I always say, you know, the silent death of Somalian community, nobody pays attention. Last year alone, 16 young men died here in London alone for cat-related issues, mental health and heart attack. Nobody cares.
Cat's also been linked to domestic violence and family breakdown. Asha divorced her husband because of cat, and it's put Sophia's brother in hospital.
80% of the family have divorced about the cat because the man sleep in daytime and he go the nighttime out and he stay all night. So the lady or the moms, they can't afford to look after the children, do jobs. We lost all the men.
It's obvious that it's destroying the families, and also it creates so much mental health problems.
As it's unregulated, you can drive using cat. There's no health warnings, no age limit. Anecdotally, its use is spreading into the wider British community. Back at the depot, even some people trading it want it banned.
What do you think? Ban. You think it should be banned? So you think it should be stopped, even though you've got an absolute load of it?
But not everyone wants to talk. And once our camera's discovered, we're asked to leave.
You come to my warehouse next time, I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to repeat myself. I'll break your face, and I promise you that.
The government's most recent survey found that over half of Somali men use cat, and half the Somali population want it banned.